Hello everyone, my name is Natsuko. Thank you very much for reaching out to my video series, and you are so welcome to start learning Japanese with me. So please note that this video is designed for those who have a desire to learn Japanese and are totally beginners. Also, who wish to start learning with Japanese alphabet, Hiragana and Katakana, and basic conversations step by step. One lesson is created about 3 to 10 minutes. You could learn with your own pace. So I'm so happy to introduce what you are going to learn in the video series. By the end of the series, you'll be able to read Japanese alphabet Hiragana and Katakana. We actually have 3 different scripts and combine all together as we write. It sounds so complicated and hard, but it's actually not. Please don't worry. You'll be able to use basic greeting phrases and introduce yourself in Japanese. You'll be able to have simple daily conversations with Japanese speakers. You'll be able to count numbers and understand Japanese currency. You learn how to ask how much what you want costs. You'll be able to order in shops and restaurants. You also learn some Japanese customs and manners apart from names of food and drink. You will gain very useful vocabulary such as item names, building names, and country names. Also, you will naturally get to know Japanese culture through learning Japanese language, which makes you enjoy learning more. In this lesson, I will introduce you what's the difference among the 3 scripts in writing Japanese. As I mentioned, there are 3 different scripts as you write in Japanese. One is Hiragana, another one is Katakana, and then the last, Kanji. Hiragana is a basic Japanese alphabet. Each letter has a syllable sound. For example, konnichiwa. It means hello. The second script we use as writing is katakana. Each letter has the exactly same sound as hiragana does. For example, we have a sound. You can write this syllable in hiragana and in katakana too. Katakana is mostly used for international words that were originally not Japanese. Also, sometimes we use it as emphasis. For example, 私はジャクソンです。It means I'm Jackson. The name Jackson. This part is written in katakana as it's not originally Japanese name. These 2 hiragana and katakana are the basic Japanese alphabet, and you'll be able to read all of them. The third script we use is kanji, which is Chinese letters. We sound differently from Chinese, and there are thousands. Even Japanese native speakers don't know all of the kanji. Each letter has a meaning, and also there are several ways to read even one letter. Eventually, it will be useful to learn them because we use the 3 scripts all combined in writing. For example, 私の名前は夏子です。 私の my 名前は name is 夏子です。Natsuko. We write these three parts in kanji and these three parts in hiragana. Kanji is used for many of nouns, and hiragana is used for particles in this case. I will introduce you the other example to explain more clearly. 今日、私はディズニーランドに行きます。Today, I go to Disneyland. We write these three parts in kanji, these three parts in hiragana, and the other part in katakana. 今日 which means today. It's a noun. We use kanji. 私 which means I. It's also a noun. We use kanji as well. は which is a particle that's used after subject. So we use hiragana. ディズニーランド which means Disneyland. It's a word that comes from English, so we use katakana. に means to. It's a particle that indicates the direction, so we use hiragana. 行きます means go. Most of verbs are combined kanji and hiragana. However, we can't read the three different scripts from the beginning when we start learning Japanese, of course. We Japanese speakers start how to read hiragana first, and then katakana. Kanji is after you master these two. So, from the next lessons, I'll guide you how to master reading and writing hiragana and katakana. Let's start with hiragana. I recommend you prepare your notebook and a pen to start writing together with me. So let's get started.